Today I'm going to teach you how to keep your filament dry in your AMS using Desiccant. I'm also going to teach you how to keep your open spools of filament that are in storage dry, also using Desiccant, as well as a vacuum bag sealer. Let's dive right in. Hi, it's Brian from First Layer First. Today we're going to install some Desiccant holders in my AMS. I 3D printed them. I'll include a link below so you can print them themselves if you want. They include 2 that go on the side, 1 with a hygrometer that will tell you the humidity that goes in the middle, and 2 that goes in the bottom. The first step is to fill them with some Desiccant. I have some color changing Desiccant here. When it changes color, it'll know you need to dry them out. You could do that either in the microwave or in the oven, so you could reuse them many times. So let's fill these up and then I'll show you how to install them in the AMS. Okay, so let's open this. It's got a little seal in here, so let's get that out, hopefully without taking it all over the place. There we go. So now let's fill all these up with Desiccant. I have a little funnel here to help so I don't spill it all over the place. I probably will anyway, but let's give it a shot. All right, let's put this filament in there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open these compartments here that have the original Desiccant bags. We'll go ahead and pull that out, and we will go ahead and put one of these replacement ones in there. So they fit right in nicely, and then we'll put the cover back on. Let's do that. Okay, that one is on. And we'll open the second one too. Whoops, come on. Oh, there we go. Again, my elephant hands make that difficult, but we're good. Okay, let's grab the other one. Try not to open it and spill the beans everywhere. Okay, we are good. All right, whoops. Let's go ahead and put the cap back on now. There we go. And make sure we're pressed down. Make sure this one does not look like it's in all the way. There we go. Now we're in all the way. Okay, that one is in. All right, so now we got these for the front. So let's see how they go in. I believe they just slide right in there. They sure do. Nice and easy. Let's put that one in. Good. And now let's make sure we got this one. Good. It's in Fahrenheit. And let's put that one in. And we should be all set. Now we can go ahead and just put the filament back in. And then we'll close it up and we should be all set. Let me find that. There we go. Let's push that in. Oops. Oop, lost it. Where'd it go? There we go. Okay. Like I said, everything is a little harder when you have elephant dexterity. Okay. That one's in. Let's go ahead and put this dual color silk filament, which is really, really cool. Okay, oops, there we go. You could see some prints I made with the filament. I'll be posting some things pretty good. There we go. Make sure that's tight, good. And let's put our good old trusty, black matte filament that I use all the time. And the other filament that's normally in here. I'm printing, I am doing a, there we go. I'm doing a video with it on the bag sealers. So you'll see that video coming out shortly too, if it's not already out. Okay, there we go. A nice, easy DIY thing. Oh, actually, these are in plastic bags. I guess I should have read the instruction and actually opened them. Never did that. But let's see. If we look now, oh, good old 10% humidity in there. Perfect. In addition to the desiccant holders I added to my AMS, I got this by Elegoo. It's a vacuum storage system for your spools. So kind of like the bento box. It's not something you definitely need, but it can't hurt. I print mostly in PLA, so this isn't absolutely necessary, but I will be trying other materials. And I figure it's fairly cheap, and it probably a good idea to do it. It'll make sure I get the best prints I possibly can, even with PLA, and as I go on to other materials in the future. So let's see what's in here, and let's give it a try. All right, so what do we have here? We've got some instructions. We've got a bunch of bags, and then we have this little pump here. So let's move the box out of the way, and let's take a look and see what this little filter is. Okay, there's the filter and a little USB cable. Let's see if we have any power. Does it come with any power? Oh, it does. Good. So we could try it out. All right, so let me grab one of these bags here. Just grab one. One of them. Okay, there we go. We have one of the bags. Put this out of the way. And I have a partial spool here. I printed these little clips to keep the filament from losing the filament. They work great, easy to print. So let's put this in the bag and seal it up, and let's see how it does. Okay. Again, my hands, I have issue with my hands, so bear with me while I get this open. I have the dexterity of a large elephant. Oh, they're right, there we go. Okay, let's put this in here. Okay, there you go. Oops. And as I was saying, I have the clip. The clip actually came off, so let's go ahead and put that back to make sure we don't lose the end of the filament. Okay, there we go. And let's try this again. I'll put that at the top so I don't accidentally knock it off. Oops, I knocked it off again anyway. Okay, let's try this for a third time. There we go. Third time is a charm. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I can seal this up. Again, this will be fun because I always have. Oh, there we go. Okay, so these bags are not hard to seal up. You could actually hear them go ahead and snap, and even with my wonderful hands, they sealed up, closed up just nice. All right, so now let's go ahead and see if we can get this to work. So I put that on the thing. Is anything happening? I don't think anything happened. Let's see if I can figure out what's going on. All right, let's read the user manual and see what it says. Put the pump right on the air valve and pump air out. Okay, that's what I've been doing. Okay, I'm right in the hole. Push down really hard. Oh no, there we go. All right, it sounds like it's kind of maybe doesn't have enough battery. So let me, I've got a battery right over here. Let's go ahead and unhook this USB cable. Let's plug it in. Here we go. Grab the battery. Where did I put that? It is right here. Actually, I don't even need a cable. I have one hooked to it. So let's unplug that cable. Plug this one in. Let's see if we're charging. Evidently, you cannot use it when it's charging. All right. I'm impatient. Let's try one more time, and otherwise we'll come back in a little bit. And so do not fill beyond this line. Okay, I'm not doing that. All right, we'll be back. Let me charge that.
3 weeks later.
Okay, we're back. Got the little pump charged. Actually realized I wanted to put some desiccant in these bags when I seal them in bags. So I printed out these spool desiccant holders, which allow you to put desiccant in them easily and put them in the center of a spool. So let's go ahead and pour some in here. Okay, put the cap on so I don't spill it all over the place. Okay, and let's see, do these fit? They do fit inside, so I can put it on first. Okay, so now we have, whoops. So let's go ahead and get this in the bag. Get started in the bags. Okay. Now we could put this in there. Get that over. Okay. Okay. All right, it does look like it's totally sealed. So let's see if the pump works this time. Turn the pump off. All right, still going. There we go. I guess you got to make sure that the bag is sealed really good, because if it's not sealed, it will not work. There we go. All right. Let's see how much more. Oh, keep going. All right, that's probably let's see how much air is out of there. It looks okay. I mean, it got a good chunk of the air. It's pretty tight. Let's try one more time just to make sure. But I think we got it. I guess unlike like the food saver type approaches, you're not really sure when it's done. Okay. Between the desiccant and the pretty tight seal here, I think we are good. So yep, that's it. I'll hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. But it definitely takes most of the air out of these, and between that and the desiccant should keep your filament dry.